What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, we finally have brand new toys. We have lots of pretend toys. We have the tea sets. We have the little cute cups, the little kitchen sets, a variety of kitchen sets. These have been gone for a really long time. We have brand new babies. We have doctor kits, a variety of doctor kits, a variety of pom-poms, even a little dentist kit up there. And then we have tons of dollhouse furniture. This is really cute. I'm trying to think if maybe I need this for some of my TikToks. Do I need a little chair or a little dresser? I think I might. I don't know. I'm going to try to justify it. I'll let you guys know what I come up with. I think the table would actually be really cute to have. Serving the food up on a tiny plate. Maybe I could get some tiny plates and then serve it up on the tiny table. I'm going to think about the table, you guys. But then we have more dollhouse sets over here. Aw, look, the little kitchen, the little stove, the lamp, the couch, the bookshelf. What? Look at this one, you guys, up here. We have green tables, we have blue tables, we have pink tables. All the mermaid dolls are back. The My Little Pony dupes are back, also in purple. The little play irons and the little dust busters, the little mini vacuums. Okay. I think some of these are new. Some of these little boxes. We have butterflies, llamas, rainbows, and unicorns. And then we have these cute little light up turtles, rainbows, dinosaurs. The butterfly is so pretty. Look at the butterfly. It's really, really pretty. It has a little light in the back and you're gonna have to pull the tab to get it to activate. What's over here? The Bolero items. Ooh, what's this, you guys? The new massagers. What? We have purple, we have pink, we have gray. These feel pretty nice. And then we have these little matchbook nail files that match some other things that I have in my cart. Sorry about that.
You're fine.
I wonder how many we get, you guys. Okay, it says easily. Oh, we get 5. I'm going to show you guys the other items that these match. So we have the matching set here. We have this. And we have, where's the other one? Here we go. This right here. So we have a little matching set. Let me move my cart out of the way a little bit better. Then I'll show you guys the crafts. I don't want anyone to have to move my cart again. Okay. Ooh, these are new. Look, you guys. The foot files. Oh, wow. Also part of the set. Look at that. The foot files. Super cute. Also, this is brand new and matching. We have a lot of coordinating pieces. Ooh, this looks nice. I'm just finding so many good items this week. The massager. This looks like it would make a nice massager for like your scalp. Purple. We have gray. I'm going to think about this as well. Let me put these back. I don't think I need any nail files right now. I'm getting kind of a big stash going over here. Okay, I want to take you guys back down the craft area here. Let's see if we have anything else new. I know you guys always want me to check, but we don't always have new things every week over here. I think some of the stencils are new though. Look at these. And so many metallic markers up there and chalk writers. Look, you guys, these are the markers that write on the little chalkboards. And we have little chalkboards right here. I mean, as long as you have the chalkboard paint, you could turn anything into a chalkboard. My parents actually have a chalkboard wall at their house. It's a pretty huge wall, and they like it when my kids draw all over it, draw pictures, do like little seasonal things, or, you know, write cute stuff. It was my stepmom's idea, and it really turned out nice. So yeah, if you have a chalkboard wall too, we have white, green, pink, blue, gold, silver, and purple. Everywhere else, you're definitely going to pay a lot more than $1 for a chalkboard pen. If you go to Michael's, you're going to pay a lot more. These are cute. Wood craft cubes. These are new. The arrows. The butterflies. Aw, the little dogs are new. The flower. The star. The owl is so cute. Ooh, we have some nice little dowels here. A 10-pack of dowels. And a whole lot of DIY wood crafts down here. I think the unicorn is new. I don't know what that is. I think it's a donkey. Maybe a panther, elephant, dinosaur, giraffe. We have apples. We have pineapples. We have castle-themed pieces, crowns, cute little, these are really adorable. Cute little bird houses. Aw. I feel like they're made pretty well too. We also have wood numbers, wood shapes. I really like this little set. I don't know why I want it. Like, I really don't have any ideas for it, but something about it makes me want to get it. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on TikTok at Bunny Birdy Gator, and please subscribe here on YouTube if you're not subscribed yet. I'd love for you to join the Bunny Birdy Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.